Hello guys, Medicaid here.
And Skillet, and we're back with another K-pop reaction. Going through Oh My Girl again, as we've got something tapping behind us or creaking behind us. We're going to be looking at Oh My Girl, Closer, Windy Day, and Remember Me.
Yeah, we saw how much you guys actually liked our reaction to Oh My Girl, so we thought we'll continue with them.
Continue with them early, so we're going to get into Closer, which 2015 it came out. And
we're going to keep our eye out for things, so apparently they should pop up later.
Oh yeah, so someone mentioned in the comments, I think his name was Dot, mentioned that there's a few things that happen in the music videos that we kind of were like, oh, what's this video about, you know? So
there was a lot of cars in there, like secret garden, so like maybe
there's a bit of garden in this car.
Yeah, so maybe they did some repairing.
Garden on the outside. She's older than us, I believe, and she looks way younger than us.
Yeah.
Just so smooth in here. This song. Well, this song is.
Let's take you back to when I first started K-pop.
First started K-pop.
Yeah. Hello, Rose. Oh, here we are.
Yeah, so someone mentioned that as well, how we said she looks like Rose from Blackpink, but in technical, Rose looks like her, because Oh My Girl debuted first. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, closer.
I wouldn't mind it. Just saying.
Well, they were telling me to come closer, and I was around them. Okay.
Yep. I ain't arguing.
Okay, let's go. How many members do they got at the moment? Now, this could be before that person left the group. So he kind of looks a little bit like her, the leader, I reckon. Kind of. This choreo seems very. I don't
elegant.
Yeah, that's the word, elegant.
Yeah.
I don't want to use the word easy. It look like just basic stuff, but they're making it look really, really good.
Yeah, I think it's I would say simple, but I don't want to say it's simple, but like simple, but like elegant and like effective, like they're executing it well.
Most of the they're dancing is like
yeah, I said a card did pop up, or they
and it's got a lot of the garden on the outside. It's looks like it's in its infant stages.
Yeah, and we're probably putting things that are probably not even related.
Yeah.
Like, we are trying, but like...
Yeah, we are trying, so we could be right. Isn't there a rap right now?
Dude.
Imagine listening to this the first time the rap popped up out there. So when am I gonna sing?
Yeah.
You're rapping rather than...
what?
Okay.
Yeah. Golden apple. I won't repeat that.
And they all like disappeared from the table. That's her 4 years ago. She still kind of looks like that.
Yeah. Oh, that's a cool visual effect.
Disappear. Is that actually? That music video was very interesting.
Very elegant though.
Yeah.
I'm going to keep using that word, but
the choreo is elegant.
Yeah.
This seems to be kind of like what they do. They we don't really want to use the word simple, but they make it just look like the basic things look so elegant and make it just look
I think they're trying to be like precise, like
That's the word. Precise. I'm trying to find the word.
precise.
I'm trying to find that word. Yeah. So in that music video, with like, as you can see now, like there's a bit of like garden kind of growing.
Yeah.
So like maybe that's kind of symbolizing into Secret Garden future.
Yeah.
How would we like? How would that? They know about that though. Like, isn't Secret Garden like 3 years later? 2 years later. So like,
yeah,
it makes you wonder. Like, they kind of think about this stuff like a lot.
Yeah.
Like, this is what we're going to do, and this is like how we're going to build it, and plan out years in advance.
Yeah, they're sort of like they're planning about every single comeback down the line. It's like,
we don't have the songs yet, but we're going to literally have
like the ideas behind them,
concept for the music videos to all link together.
One sort of vibe I don't know why, it's like if you sort of change the setup a wee bit, you sort of got twice as set from What Is Love, like the wee staircase where they do the dance.
Yeah, if you take out the trees and
sort of got that sort of set up. Just random thought.
That was a very random thought.
Yeah.
You could even use the word elegant in with the song. Like it seems so smoothing.
Yeah, it does.
And when you first hear it with that rap at the end, you're like, oh, is it soup? And now it's like, that works.
It does work.
It works.
I never had an issue with it, but I know people have had issues with that rap.
I didn't really have an issue either. I just when I first heard it, I was like, whoa, that's come out of nowhere. And then I thought to myself, well, maybe we got a bit more in the song to go, and then you kind of look. It's like, 10 seconds left. Oh, strange. But, Closer. Oh my god, that's a good start. So we're going to move on to Windy Day. That is out a year later.
I think I actually said that before we started the video. It's like 2015, 2016, 2018. So I think it was actually on the money. Just not specific dates.
This is out on my birthday.
Oh. Back in 3 years ago.
3 years ago. What was I doing 3 years ago? In May. Oh, we got subtitles on. I'll just leave.
Why not? Oh.
I mean to say, it's really precious.
Yeah.
Really precious.
Yeah.
It's just visual overload.
Yep.
You can't do that to me!
Gosh! I can't handle it!
So smooth the song, and then, right.
Yeah.
You know what this reminds me of? G-Friend.
It does. Dancing in the field.
Yeah. Dresses, elegant dancing.
Yeah. I'm underrated for the dancing.
I think they're just underrated in general. Like, come on, stand Omar.
Yeah. You can just underrated with so many groups.
Yeah.
There's a deer.
They're in the forest.
Yeah.
Again, garden. Moving through like a forest. Like
that. You gotta shoot it? What?
Uh-oh. I shot the wrong person. That's literally the thing I turned.
That's just like,
where'd the gun come from?
0 to 100.
When did the gun come from?
Yeah, it was like, I was like, whoa, what? You were just like lining up with your finger.
Are they doing like paintball kind of style, like with each other around the forest?
Maybe. Just but
with like a real gun.
We live out here now.
This has got like two like type of like, how do you call it? Instrumentals.
Yeah.
You got the verses, instrumentals, and then it slowly builds out, and then it just goes
0 to 100
into like the chorus. I would like to see more of this choreo.
Yeah.
And this music video is very interesting.
Yes.
Like, we've been saying this about all the music videos, but alright, we're in just a maze now.
Yeah.
Just like Harry Potter.
Yeah. Yeah. Got that vibe. I feel like I've seen it setting somewhere else.
This setting, in this background, oh, where is this film? Because I'm not trying to be biased, but it looks like New Zealand or like Australian like background. Oh, this is kind of like,
It's definitely windy now.
yeah. See, like that background looks like something what we would if we went on a drive out,
Yeah.
like literally 5 minutes out of town. It would look like that. I'll look this up. Windy day.
You're definitely doing your research today.
I've been doing my research on the recent videos.
Yep.
Oh my girl, film, music video, film location. How the fuck I could spell it? So I'm probably missing the video.
Yeah. I feel like I have seen that like setting like background before.
It was filmed in Jeju Island, so it was filmed in Korea. I think a Korean background and all that looks literally what we would see it if we drove 10 minutes out of town.
Yeah.
And it does kind of like feel like that. It's probably the same feel as when G-Friends did most of their dances.
Possibly.
Look what the road looks like.
These guys doing on the road to begin with.
And also you got like horns in your head making you look like you're here. I wonder how they felt with this wind blowing in their face with this music video.
Yeah. They're really windy on Jeju Island. You want to let us know, people?
Or
Just sitting.
Yeah, we'll just leave it there.
Oh.
Chaotic.
Yeah, very.
Before I get into it, notice where it says windy days, the horns and all that. It looks like branches.
Yeah.
And then that was the same with the closer one as well. They had looked like branches to spelling.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how that links into other music videos.
Yeah, just
they just seem like they're in the middle of nowhere, and suddenly you've got a gun, you've got a bed, you've got a picnic table,
you've got a deer,
and you got a deer, and then you're suddenly on the road, and then you're suddenly in a maze. Is it what are they trying to say? It's so windy that they're getting blown away into like different areas or into different like universes or something, just bang into different places.
I think we need the explanation from you guys.
Yeah, let us know what you thought of that music video.
If it links to Secret Garden, please let us know.
If it links to Secret Garden or links to like any of the other music videos, let us know, because
we're lost.
We're confused. But don't get me wrong, that song is really good. It's just that music video just I'm just lost. Like, I feel like I need to go back and watch that and just sit there and just not talk, watch it and just try to study it and go, what the?
I'm sure.
Overall, the song was good.
Yeah.
Like we said, got like 2 instrumentals in it.
Yeah.
Like, to get you like verse, dun dun dun.
I'll have to go back a second. I need to watch the full video.
Like the verse, like dun dun dun, then you hit the chorus. Like it's like literally 2 different songs.
So this is after Secret Garden, I believe. So
Remember Me.
Yeah.
And here's the big universe thing that they're like looking up out into and all that.
Yeah.
So Remember Me, I'm a Girl, out in 2018.
I guess it how it ties in, because Secret Garden did go to Universal level, didn't it? What was it?
It's in space. We got a space version. This is the first song you showed me too.
Maybe.
Yes, I remember who you are.
I definitely will remember Oh My Girl.
I will as well. I'll definitely remember her.
Yeah.
My God. That could be like game show.
Yeah.
$7 million in the
Like an outfit.
No. The cool if they're actually driving.
Yeah.
Literally, imagine seeing her just selling something on an island.
Yep.
I'm not leaving this island now.
On a game show.
Yeah.
Oh, not going well.
Here comes someone from
Mars?
She seems to be standing out a lot in this music video.
Seems to be centered around her.
Can't say I'm seen the leader too much. Like, there's probably her right there.
Yeah, it was. Oh, there she is.
I swear she looks like me a little bit from Eyes One. Firework, Memory. Is that like other titles, songs from, like titles or songs from that album? Can't actually remember.
Oh, maybe actually. Memory maybe. Sounds like a song.
Yeah. Suddenly just got people on a couch and a TV.
Who's not eating with you?
So it is someone they know.
Yeah. Somebody to pick you up? I'll do it.
Hello.
I know.
I was going to be in that. What's in this? Oh, they're going to something else. Is that the person picking everyone up? Hence why they're all in the car earlier?
Yeah. Just waiting on the couch. We're just waiting to get picked up.
Just waiting for everyone. It was fireworks. But there was a link to the fireworks. So, are they on the game show to win like $7 million?
The travel?
To travel to each other?
Oh,
they'll go like different. Yeah, they'll go like different transportation.
Yeah.
The hot air like magic leader. I feel like that maybe the titles of the other B-sides.
Yeah. Just to get really high there.
No one was there, and everyone's there.
Maybe it was her birthday because she had a cake and she was waiting for everyone to get there, and they did the transportation to get her there. And they
and that person had to win the game show to get there.
Yeah.
Remember me. Yes, I will remember you.
Yeah, she was like, she was all alone. It's like, did they remember it's my birthday? So we're all gonna travel there. We're all gonna find our way of getting to her for her birthday.
We'll go with that. We'll go with that. If it's wrong, let us know in the comments. But yeah, hold up. Oh, it says remember me in the corner.
Yeah, it does.
It's actually quite a cool sight, like all the lights lit up in the countries and all that there. I enjoy that song.
I do, yeah.
It's actually a hard choice out of the three. Which one I prefer?
Oh, it's easy for me.
Yeah,
it's very easy.
I feel like I should know this song.
For me?
Yeah. I'm going to say it's Remember Me.
No.
And it's closer.
Definitely closer.
Yeah, I was going to say
like literally, I said it took me back when I first started K-pop. Like it was literally that song, like two A-Pink songs, Blood, Sweat, Tears, BTS, and it was like playback. It was like one random song of playback. What you to say? But it was like basically like those 5 or 6 songs that have literally kicked off my K-pop.
Yeah, I'm trying to think here which one I would like. Which one I prefer. So all three of them are really good.
It's like always contending for my favourite.
But all three of them are very different to each other. They're all different to each other. The one I really enjoyed, I think, when I did listen to Oh My God, was Closer. So I'm going to choose Closer as well. Let us know which ones you prefer out of the three. Like I said, it's very, very hard for me to choose. Thoughts on that music video, MK?
I like that. I think I do have the theory now, so it's actually quite a cool theory.
Yeah, if it is correct,
go with it.
I'll go with what you think.
Yeah,
because it did kind of look like that, and that music video did look pretty cool. But, and if your like concept theory is right,
that makes perfect sense.
It does make sense, and it could work like that. But if we're wrong, let us know in the comments of like how close we were, maybe. Yeah. Anything else you want to add?
I did like the outfits. The outfits were pretty interesting, and
I don't remember the outfits.
I don't know now that I say it, but
oh, yep, I remember. Remember. Yeah, no, overall pretty good.
Pretty good.
Oh My God, don't disappoint.
We say that a lot, but
most groups don't disappoint. Like, but yeah, we're not, and we are giving their genuine reactions to this. Like,
best we can at times.
The best as we can, even if we're a bit wrong. But yeah, so if you enjoyed that, like, comment, subscribe. let us know what other songs you want us to check out on our Request Thursday. And yeah, we will have more content for you coming up. And make sure to, hit that subscribe button so you can keep seeing it. So yeah,
Thank you for that.
we'll see you next time. Anything on that?
I'll say bye.
See you later.